And good morning, freshmen, and good morning, freshman parents. Welcome to the rest of our school year, apparently. Today is Wednesday, March 18th, 2020, and greetings from Mount Kisco, New York. You are looking live at the home screen of my laptop. This is Block Island, Rhode Island, one of my happy places that I may not be getting to this year. Anyhow, I am here and I am here for you, and I will continue to be here for you as we continue to plan and get ready for the Regents. But I did want to give you and your parents some information, at least initially, about how the rest of the year is going to go. So please pay attention to that. Some of us, boys and girls, have a little bit of work to get done. So if you're not on, please check the portal today. Parents and students, check the portal to make sure that all work thus far for the third quarter has been turned in. If there are M's next to your name, you got to figure out how to turn things in. One thing you can do is get that work done this morning, and I will be at school this afternoon from 12 to 3. You can drop it off on my desk. You could also share it with me online, but there are assignments that need to get done. All right, so please check and please check today. Everything is up to date. Number next. Okay, there you are. Number next is number next. There you see it there. All right. Please make sure your Cornell notebook is kept current. I said right now we are putting in the Cornell notebook for the test on Thursday, which is the respiratory and excretory system. We'll see how that goes. There will be. I will figure out a way to collect these Cornells, whether it's just something that I go to school one day in a couple of weeks and park my car and you put it into into the trunk or something along those lines. We'll keep our social distance, and we will do so once our quarantine of such is lifted. Our test scheduled for Thursday, Friday is canceled for now. All right, you should be studying, boys and girls, because once it is rescheduled, you're not going to have much notice. And now that we're out, everybody is going to be testing at the same time, both classes, A and B, at the same time. I just have to figure out whether we can test, and if there can't be, what else I can do. I think that I can. All right, along with that, I asked all of you and put a link online to go and sign up for a Test Wizard account. Okay, putting in the code that I have, because that's one way that I can give you a timed test online. All right, even if it is somewhat open book. If you have 30 questions to do in 20 minutes, good luck in looking all the answers up. All right, number next. All right, all new lessons, I think I showed you last week, will be available on YouTube. As you can see, the channel page is COT IB Biology. You should go and subscribe to that page. All right, what I plan on doing is the same thing that I did for seniors early in the year, is break the curriculum up, break my longer chapter up into smaller snippets for you to watch in order and learn in order and question us if need be, sort of teaching on the fly. I don't want to reinvent the wheel. You're used to a certain way by me now. I'm not going to change it for you and confuse you all now. Number 6, availability. As I said, later today from 12:30 to 3, I'm going to be at school for you to pick things up to supervise in the hallway. You can also drop off work if you have it. All right. For the rest of the week, Thursday and Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, 1:30 to 2:30, through email. You're going to have time, remember, to get things done. And not all lessons are going to be up this week. So I got to work on those, work on seniors, work for TOK as well. But you'll be fine. All right, let's go to the next page so that you can see what we have left to do. All right, so the third test of the quarter was going to be is going to be the excretory respiratory system. The fourth test of the quarter was the nervous and endocrine system. Now, period 6, you have finished nervous system. That can be placed into your Cornell notebook with the 3 diagrams. I will put the 3 diagrams up online should you want a new colored version of them. The endocrine system we need to get done. All right, then I'm going to start the reproductive system, although that goes into the fourth quarter. So that's why you see reproduction in both areas. Um, and then you see the four areas that we were going to do the fourth quarter. I'm going to start dialing it back and doing more Regents preparation than I am to do honors preparation. There'll still be honors snippets. You see, the fourth quarter still has two Regents labs. We will somehow get those Regents labs done. If not, in fact, then by doing a what's called in science a dry lab. I give you the information and I walk you through what would have been if it was, and then you do the questions and you get them back to me for a grade. So reproduction, cell production, mitosis, meiosis, sex cell production, molecular genetics. Right now, I'm going to have to leave out Mendelian Punnett squares, but we might be able to include that. Evolution and ecology. That brings us up to about the beginning of June. Maybe we'll be back for some of that. Maybe we won't. You'll be fine. We'll be fine. We'll figure this out together. So if you have an email, please email me. Parents, please email me. For all of us, this is going to be somewhat of a work in progress. So we'll do the best that we can with what we have. I hope everybody is healthy out there and stays healthy. Please listen to the rules. This is Cut signing out. We'll be in touch.